Meaning of denigrate.
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 Denigrate. Denigrate means to criticize or speak negatively about someone or something in a way that undermines their reputation or value. When someone denigrates another person, they are attempting to lower the esteem others have for that person, often by spreading lies or exaggerating faults. Denigrating can cause significant harm to the target's personal and professional life, as it contributes to an overall negative perception. In some cases, this behavior can also lead to social ostracism or even legal consequences, particularly when it involves defamatory statements.